What if your most ordinary daily ritual was, in truth, an extraordinary act of nourishment? For millennia across every civilization, humanity has gathered around the simple, sacred alchemy of transforming leaves and flowers into liquid wisdom. Today, modern science pulls back the veil, revealing what ancient intuition always sensed, that within each humble cup lies a profound symphony of chemistry and healing. This is the forgotten power held within your kettle. This is the art of sipping your way to true health. Our journey begins with the true teas, all born from the venerable leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Their profound diversity springs from one elegant chemical ballet, oxidation. Picture an autumn leaf aging on the branch. This natural process's controlled reaction with air does more than change color. It fundamentally rewrites the leaf's internal library of compounds, unlocking distinct and powerful health-giving properties in each successive stage. Green tea is the guardian of the leaf's original, verdant state. By applying heat through steaming or pan-firing, oxidation is arrested in its tracks. This preservation locks in a legendary antioxidant, epigallocatechin, or EGCG. Envision these molecules as a devoted cellular shield brigade. A robust body of research points to this potent catechin as a maestro of metabolic harmony, a sharpener of cognitive clarity, and a dedicated sentinel protecting your body's fundamental machinery from daily wear and tear. Black tea represents the full embrace of oxidation. This deliberate alchemy converts the leaf's simple catechins into sophisticated, potent new compounds, theaflavins and thearubigins. They are the architects of black tea's signature strength, color, and a growing body of compelling cardiovascular science surrounds them. Integrating this robust brew into your rhythm is consistently associated with supporting healthy circulation, balanced blood pressure, and delivering a steady, focused energy, a slow burn, rather than a flash. Now, let us step beyond the tea plant into the boundless, fragrant world of herbal infusions, properly called tisane. These are not from Camellia sinensis, but from nature's own diverse and generous pharmacy, from roots, flowers, barks, and leaves. Devoid of caffeine, each tisane is a targeted, liquid remedy, a timeless prescription crafted by the earth itself, waiting to be steeped. Behold, the dual ambassadors of comfort. On one hand, ginger. Its fiery, awakening warmth is the work of gingerol, a potent phenolic compound revered across medical traditions for calming turbulent digestion, easing deep-seated inflammation, and cutting through the fog of nausea with definitive clarity. On the other, chamomile. Its gentle, lunar power is unlocked by apigenin, a flavonoid that subtly binds to receptors in the brain, acting as a key to unlock relaxation, soothe digestive tension, and beckon the body toward a deep, restorative sleep. The sharp, clean relief of peppermint is the gift of menthol. This organic compound is a natural antispasmodic, a gentle persuader that coaxes clenched digestive muscles to relax, offering swift, cooling relief from bloating and discomfort. That spectacular, vibrant ruby in your cup of hibiscus is the work of anthocyanins, the same powerful flavonoid pigments that armored blueberries. These vivid compounds are celebrated in nutritional science for their role in promoting endothelial health, supporting relaxed and flexible blood vessels, and contributing to overall cardiovascular resilience. From the sun-baked manure-rich slopes of South Africa comes Rooibos, the red bush, naturally sweet and entirely free of caffeine. It houses a rare and unique antioxidant. This compound, scarcely found elsewhere in nature, is the subject of promising preliminary research for its potential to help modulate blood sugar balance and combat oxidative stress at a cellular level. It is the ultimate gentle guardian, a soothing, nutritive embrace in a cup, a hydrating solace for any hour, day or night. To truly honor these botanical gifts and coax their full spectrum of benefits into your cup, you must brew with mindful intention. The delicate architecture of green and white teas requires cooler water to prevent the scalding bitterness of tannins and to preserve their precious, volatile compounds. In contrast, the robust cell walls of herbs, roots, and flowers demand a rolling boil and patient steeping to fully liberate their healing essence, their colors, and their flavors into the water. So, whether you seek mental clarity, emotional calm, physical healing, or simple daily nourishment, there exists a perfect brew, patiently waiting for your discovery. This is a lifelong partnership between nature's boundless intelligence and your own conscious intention. Your path to vibrant health is not found in a drastic prescription, but in a daily ritual. It begins with the very next cup you choose to steep, and the mindful, grateful moment you take to truly savor it. The question now is not if, but what. What will you brew? Thanks for watching. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the science of wellness.